morning, first grade. I hope everyone's Friday is off to a great start. Today is Friday, February 19th, 2021. It is day 4, so your special today is Maker at 12:05, and it is the 111th day of school. So I've updated our coins, so we have $1, 1 dime, and then 1 penny takes us to $1.11. All right, before we go through the schedule, if you'd like to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, so coming out first thing this morning, you will see an application problem for lesson 25. You will also see a video to take your week 20 spelling test. And then there is a deep dive, and then there is a math practice review Google form. So just like we did last week, there's just a couple of questions on it. So you'll see those 4 things this morning. Then we will meet at 10 for math, and we'll work on lesson 25. There is a sprint, I believe, today, so if you could please just have both of your books, that would be great, and dry erase board marker. Then we have social studies again today at 10:45, and then we'll meet again at 1 for a wit and wisdom lesson. So if you could please bring this module 3 Wit and Wisdom blue workbook that has the picture of the windmill on the front. If you could please bring that to our 1 o'clock class today, that would be great. And I think that's it. If you have your puzzle piece from yesterday and you're riding past the school and it's convenient for a grown-up to stop by and drop it off, there is a basket on the front table, as I mentioned yesterday, that you can drop it in. Or if you have a neighbor or someone that you could give it to bring it in, and they can give it to me, and I'll make sure it is included with the artwork. So let me know if you have any questions on that. And I think that's it. Our joke for today is, what did one calculator say to the other calculator? And I will I'll give you the answer at 10. So let me know if you have any questions or if you need anything. And I can't wait to see everybody soon. All right. Bye. Thanks.